Hello and welcome back to Nobel Series, Albert Einstein. In this documentary-style narrative, we will trace his remarkable path from his humble beginnings in Ulm, Germany, to his rise as a revolutionary thinker whose theories redefined our understanding of the universe. Albert Einstein's name has become synonymous with genius, and his ideas continue to inspire not only scientists, but anyone with a passion for uncovering the mysteries of nature. As we dive into his early life, educational challenges, groundbreaking discoveries, and personal reflections, we invite you to explore with us the intricate tapestry of a mind that changed the course of science and human thought forever. Albert Einstein was born on March 14, 1879, in the small city of Ulm in the Kingdom of Württemberg, part of the German Empire. His early years were marked by a quiet curiosity and an insatiable desire to understand the world around him. As a child, he often found himself lost in thought, fascinated by the wonders of nature, from the gentle fall of an apple to the intricate dance of light and shadow. Although he encountered difficulties in the rigid educational system of his time, these challenges only fueled his determination to think independently. His inquisitive spirit led him to question established norms and to seek explanations that lay beyond the boundaries of conventional wisdom. Even as a young student, Einstein's mind was preoccupied with puzzles that defied easy answers, setting him on a path that would eventually culminate in revolutionary theories that reshaped the entire field of physics. During his formative years, Einstein's journey was not without struggle. The traditional classroom environment, with its emphasis on rote memorization and strict discipline, often clashed with his natural inclination toward independent exploration and creative problem-solving. This conflict with the educational norms of the era, however, did not dampen his curiosity. Instead, it drove him to pursue knowledge in unconventional ways, often finding solace in self-study and deep reflection on scientific principles. His early exposure to the wonders of mathematics and physics laid the groundwork for his later achievements. By the time he left school, Einstein had already developed a unique perspective on the nature of reality, one that was poised to challenge and eventually overturn the scientific dogmas of his day. In his late teens, Einstein's academic journey led him to the Swiss Federal Polytechnic in Zurich, where he initially aimed to become a teacher in mathematics and physics. It was here that he encountered a stimulating intellectual environment that nurtured his distinctive way of thinking. The rigorous yet liberating academic culture at the Polytechnic allowed him to explore ideas freely and to engage with a community of scholars who encouraged innovation. Despite facing obstacles and occasional bouts of self-doubt, Einstein's time in Zurich proved to be one of the most formative periods of his life. It was during these years that he began to develop the fundamental ideas that would later form the backbone of his theories of relativity. His experiences at the Polytechnic not only honed his analytical skills, but also reinforced his belief that true understanding comes from questioning and reimagining the known boundaries of science. After graduating, rather than immediately pursuing an academic career, Einstein took a position at the Swiss Patent Office in Bern. This seemingly modest job proved to be a fertile ground for creative thinking. The Patent Office, with its steady flow of technical inventions and practical problems, provided Einstein with a unique perspective on the interplay between theory and application. Here, away from the pressures of academia, he found the time and space to ponder some of the most profound questions of physics. During his spare time, he immersed himself in the study of scientific literature and devoted long hours to formulating ideas that would soon challenge the very foundations of classical mechanics. It was in this environment that Einstein experienced what many consider his miracle year in 1905, a period during which he published a series of papers that would cement his reputation as a groundbreaking thinker. The year 1905, often referred to as Einstein's Annus Mirabilis or Miracle Year, marked a turning point in the history of science. In a series of 4 seminal papers, he introduced ideas that would forever alter our comprehension of the physical universe. One of these papers explained the photoelectric effect, a phenomenon in which light ejects electrons from a material, thereby laying the groundwork for quantum theory. His explanation of the photoelectric effect not only provided compelling evidence for the particle nature of light, but also earned him the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921. In another paper, he presented the theory of special relativity, which challenged the long-held Newtonian notions of absolute space and time. This theory introduced the revolutionary concept that the laws of physics are the same for all non-accelerating observers, and that the speed of light in a vacuum is constant regardless of the motion of the light source. These ideas not only redefined our understanding of space and time, but also set the stage for further developments in theoretical physics. Einstein's theory of special relativity is perhaps best encapsulated by the iconic equation E equals mc squared, which establishes the equivalence of mass and energy. This simple yet profound relationship revealed that mass can be converted into energy and vice versa, a concept that would eventually have far-reaching implications in fields ranging from nuclear physics to cosmology. The beauty of this equation lies in its ability to encapsulate a universe where the seemingly immutable properties of matter are, in fact, fluid and interconvertible. The realization that mass and energy are two sides of the same coin was a revolutionary insight that opened new avenues for scientific inquiry and technological innovation. As we reflect on this momentous breakthrough, we are reminded of the power of human curiosity and the relentless pursuit of truth, a spirit that Einstein embodied throughout his life. Following the groundbreaking work on special relativity, Einstein turned his attention to one of the most challenging problems in physics, the nature of gravity. His quest to understand gravity led him to develop the general theory of relativity, a theory that would ultimately redefine our conception of space, time, and the very fabric of the cosmos. General relativity, formulated over the course of a decade and completed in 1915, posits that gravity is not a force in the traditional sense, but rather a manifestation of the curvature of space-time caused by the presence of mass and energy. In this framework, massive objects such as stars and planets warp the fabric of space-time, creating a gravitational field that influences the motion of other objects. This radical departure from Newtonian gravity not only provided a more comprehensive explanation for celestial phenomena, but also predicted new effects such as the bending of light by gravity, a prediction that was spectacularly confirmed during a solar eclipse in 1919. The confirmation of general relativity in 1919 catapulted Einstein to international fame, as his predictions were vindicated by empirical evidence that stunned the scientific community and the public alike. The observation of starlight bending around the sun during the solar eclipse provided one of the first major triumphs of modern physics, and it established Einstein as a household name. Beyond the immediate scientific implications, this breakthrough had a profound impact on the cultural and intellectual landscape of the early 20th century. Einstein's work captured the imagination of a generation and symbolized the dawn of a new era in which human beings were beginning to understand the universe in ways that were previously thought to be the exclusive domain of philosophers and mystics. His theories not only redefined the boundaries of science, but also inspired a renewed sense of wonder and possibility, a legacy that continues to influence the way we perceive the natural world. Despite his monumental contributions to science, Einstein remained a deeply human figure throughout his life. He was known for his warm personality, his sense of humor, and his willingness to engage in thoughtful discussions about the nature of existence, morality, and the human condition. His personal correspondence and public speeches reveal a man who was as reflective about the ethical implications of scientific progress as he was about the technical details of his theories. Einstein's political and social activism, particularly his advocacy for peace and his warnings about the dangers of militarism, underscore his commitment to using his intellect and influence for the betterment of humanity. In an era marked by political turmoil and the ravages of war, he became a vocal proponent of disarmament and a staunch critic of the arms race, a stance that further endeared him to those who saw in him not just a brilliant scientist, but also a compassionate human being. The interplay between Einstein's scientific genius and his humanitarian values is one of the most compelling aspects of his legacy. While his theories revolutionized our understanding of the cosmos, his reflections on life, ethics, and responsibility continue to resonate with audiences around the world. He believed that science was not an end in itself, but a means of improving the human condition, and he consistently urged his contemporaries to consider the moral dimensions of their work. This synthesis of scientific inquiry and ethical reflection has made Einstein an enduring symbol of intellectual integrity and social conscience. His life serves as a reminder that the pursuit of knowledge must always be tempered by commitment to justice, empathy, and the common good. Einstein's influence extends far beyond the realm of physics. His ideas have permeated every corner of modern thought, inspiring new fields of study and influencing disciplines as diverse as philosophy, literature, and art. The image of Einstein, wild hair, kind eyes, and an ever-present sense of curiosity, has become an icon of creativity and brilliance. His famous quotes and aphorisms, such as "imagination is more important than knowledge," and "I have no special talent, I am only passionately curious," continue to inspire individuals to embrace their curiosity and to challenge the status quo. In classrooms, boardrooms, and laboratories around the world, his words serve as a call to action for anyone who dares to think differently and to explore the unknown. The enduring appeal of his persona is a testament to the timeless quality of his insights and the universal nature of his quest for understanding. Throughout his long and eventful career, Einstein published hundreds of papers and engaged in countless debates with his peers, always seeking to push the boundaries of what was known and what could be imagined. His work laid the foundation for many of the modern theories that continue to drive scientific progress today. From quantum mechanics to cosmology, the ripple effects of his ideas can be felt in nearly every corner of contemporary physics. One of the most fascinating aspects of Einstein's work is the way in which it continues to evolve. Even decades after his death, scientists are still uncovering new implications of his theories, and his ideas remain central to some of the most cutting-edge research in physics. Whether it is in the study of black holes, gravitational waves, or the quest for a unified theory of everything, Einstein's legacy is one of perpetual inquiry, a beacon of inspiration that challenges each new generation to look beyond the obvious and to question the very nature of reality. As we reflect on the scientific achievements of Albert Einstein, it is impossible not to acknowledge the profound impact his work has had on our modern technological society. The principles of relativity and quantum mechanics have given rise to innovations that have transformed the way we live, from satellite communications and global positioning systems to advances in medical imaging and energy production. Einstein's insights have paved the way for technologies that not only enhance our daily lives, but also enable us to explore the farthest reaches of space. In this sense, his work is not confined to the annals of academic history. It is a living, breathing force that continues to drive human progress. The technologies that have emerged from his theories are a testament to the practical value of abstract thought and the incredible potential of the human mind when it is allowed to roam free. The story of Einstein is also a story of personal sacrifice and perseverance in the face of adversity. Throughout his career, he encountered skepticism, resistance, and even hostility from those who were wedded to traditional ways of thinking. Yet, it was precisely this resistance that spurred him to work even harder, to question even more deeply, and to persist in his quest for truth no matter the cost. His struggles with bureaucracy, his difficulties in navigating the complexities of academic politics, and his personal losses all served to deepen his resolve. In many ways, the challenges he faced only made his eventual triumphs all the more meaningful. His journey is a powerful reminder that the path to greatness is often paved with obstacles, and that true innovation requires not only intellect, but also courage and resilience. Beyond his scientific contributions, Einstein's life was marked by a deep sense of wonder about the natural world and an abiding love for the arts. He was an accomplished violinist, and music provided him with a source of solace and inspiration throughout his life. In his view, the harmony and beauty of music were inextricably linked to the harmony and beauty of the universe, a belief that further underscored his conviction that science and art are two complementary paths to understanding the world. This fusion of art and science is a recurring theme in Einstein's work and his personal philosophy. He often remarked that the pursuit of scientific knowledge was akin to the creation of a great work of art, requiring both rigorous discipline and an unfettered imagination. It is this synthesis of rational analysis and creative intuition that has allowed his ideas to endure and to inspire new generations of thinkers across a wide range of disciplines. In his later years, Einstein became increasingly engaged with the broader social and political issues of his time. He was a passionate advocate for civil rights, a vocal opponent of totalitarian regimes, and a committed supporter of international cooperation and peace. His public stances on these issues were not always popular, and he often found himself at odds with prevailing political sentiments. Yet his steadfast commitment to his principles never wavered. Even as he navigated the complexities of life in exile, away from his native Germany and later from Europe during the turbulent years of World War II, Einstein continued to use his fame and influence to speak out against injustice and to promote a vision of a more humane and just world. His legacy as a humanitarian is as enduring as his scientific contributions, and it serves as a powerful reminder of the responsibility that comes with great knowledge. One of the most remarkable aspects of Einstein's legacy is the way in which he managed to bridge the gap between the abstract and the accessible. Despite the complexity of his theories, he possessed a unique ability to communicate his ideas in a way that resonated with people from all walks of life. His writings, lectures, and interviews were imbued with a clarity and simplicity that made even the most challenging concepts approachable. In doing so, he not only advanced the cause of science, but also helped to foster a culture of inquiry and intellectual curiosity that transcended disciplinary boundaries. His ability to connect with the public on matters of science and philosophy has left an indelible mark on the way we think about knowledge and discovery today. As we contemplate the life and work of Albert Einstein, it is important to recognize that his legacy is not confined solely to the realm of theoretical physics. His ideas have had far-reaching implications for the way we understand the universe, influencing fields as diverse as cosmology, particle physics, and even information theory. The theoretical framework he developed continues to serve as a foundation upon which modern scientists build new theories and experiments. His insights into the nature of space, time, and energy have opened doors to areas of research that were previously unimaginable, and his work remains a cornerstone of contemporary scientific thought. The continued relevance of his theories in today's rapidly advancing technological landscape is a testament to the enduring power of his intellect and the profound impact of his contributions to our understanding of the natural world. In many ways, Einstein's life can be seen as a microcosm of the broader human quest for knowledge, a journey marked by curiosity, struggle, triumph, and an unwavering commitment to the pursuit of truth. His story is one of transformation, not only in terms of the scientific revolutions he helped to ignite, but also in the way it reflects the evolution of human thought itself. Through his work, he challenged us to look beyond the surface of everyday experience and to explore the deeper principles that govern our existence. His legacy is a call to arms for all who dare to dream, to question, and to push the boundaries of what is known. It is a reminder that the pursuit of knowledge is a noble and unending endeavor, one that requires both passion and perseverance. In reflecting on the life of Albert Einstein, we are also reminded of the importance of embracing failure as an integral part of the creative process. Einstein himself once remarked that he had not failed in life, but had merely found thousands of ways that did not work. His willingness to experiment, to make mistakes, and to learn from them is a lesson that continues to resonate with scientists and innovators today. In an age when rapid success is often celebrated, Einstein's example of persistent trial and error serves as a powerful reminder that true breakthroughs are born from the willingness to challenge conventional wisdom and to persist in the face of adversity. As our exploration of Einstein's life draws to a close, it is impossible not to feel a profound sense of gratitude for the legacy he has left behind. His contributions to science have not only transformed our understanding of the universe, but have also provided a source of inspiration for countless individuals who continue to seek answers to the most fundamental questions of existence. Albert Einstein's life is a testament to the power of human curiosity, the importance of questioning the status quo, and the incredible potential that lies within each of us to make a lasting impact on the world. His journey, filled with triumphs and setbacks alike, reminds us that the pursuit of knowledge is a continuous process, one that is as much about the journey as it is about the destination. In celebrating the life of Albert Einstein today, we honor not only his groundbreaking discoveries, but also the spirit of inquiry and wonder that defined his existence. His theories continue to challenge us, his words continue to inspire us, and his legacy continues to shape the very fabric of modern scientific thought. As we stand on the shoulders of this giant, we are encouraged to look further, to think deeper, and to embrace the unknown with the same courage and curiosity that drove him to revolutionize our understanding of the cosmos. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the life and legacy of Albert Einstein, a journey that reminds us that the quest for knowledge is eternal and that the human spirit, when driven by curiosity and determination, can illuminate even the darkest corners of the universe. Looking back over the vast expanse of Einstein's contributions, one cannot help but marvel at the transformative power of a single mind. His ideas broke free from the constraints of established thought and ushered in a new era of scientific discovery that continues to influence every facet of modern life. From the elegant equations that describe the curvature of space-time to the profound insights into the nature of energy and matter, Einstein's work has provided us with a framework for understanding the complexities of the universe in ways that were once unimaginable. His journey, filled with moments of brilliance as well as periods of quiet reflection, is a testament to the fact that true genius is not measured solely by academic accolades or material success, but by the enduring impact one leaves on the world through the pursuit of truth and the unwavering belief in the power of human ingenuity. As we conclude this documentary journey on Albert Einstein, let us carry forward the lessons of his life. The importance of curiosity, the courage to challenge conventional wisdom, and the relentless pursuit of understanding. His legacy is not merely a collection of scientific achievements, but a vibrant tapestry of ideas, dreams, and aspirations that continue to inspire future generations to explore, innovate, and imagine. In every equation solved, in every theory tested, and in every new discovery made in the name of science, we see echoes of Einstein's pioneering spirit. His work serves as a constant reminder that while the universe may be vast and full of mysteries, it is through the lens of curiosity and the courage to question that we come to truly understand our place within it. In the final analysis, Albert Einstein's life teaches us that the journey toward knowledge is as infinite as the cosmos itself. Each discovery, each question answered, opens the door to new mysteries waiting to be unraveled. His legacy is a call to continue exploring the unknown, to push beyond the boundaries of what is familiar, and to strive always for a deeper understanding of the world around us. It is a call that resonates across time and space, a call that reminds us that the spirit of inquiry is the engine of progress, and that every great achievement in science begins with the simple act of wondering. Today, as we celebrate the enduring impact of Einstein's work, we are reminded that the pursuit of knowledge is a never-ending journey, one that continues to evolve with every new generation of thinkers and dreamers. Thank you for joining us on this immersive exploration of Albert Einstein's extraordinary life. As we reflect on his achievements and the profound changes he ushered into the world of science, we invite you to carry forward his legacy in your own quest for knowledge and understanding. May his example inspire you to challenge the boundaries of your own imagination and to never cease questioning the world around you. Here on Nobel Series, We believe that every discovery, no matter how small, contributes to the vast mosaic of human achievement. And in that spirit, we honor the memory of a man whose brilliance not only illuminated the cosmos, but also kindled the eternal flame of human curiosity, a flame that continues to burn brightly in the hearts and minds of those who dare to dream. As we bring this documentary to a close, let us take a moment to appreciate the timeless relevance of Einstein's insights. In an era marked by rapid technological advancements and unprecedented challenges, his work remains a guiding light, a beacon that reminds us of the transformative power of ideas and the enduring value of a curious, questioning mind. Albert Einstein's legacy is not confined to dusty textbooks or arcane equations. It is a living, breathing testament to the human capacity for wonder, discovery, and innovation. It is an invitation to all of us to look at the world with fresh eyes, to question what we think we know, and to explore the infinite possibilities that lie hidden beneath the surface of everyday experience. In reflecting on Einstein's contributions, we also acknowledge the profound interplay between scientific discovery and the broader cultural context in which it unfolds. His theories not only reshaped the landscape of physics, but also challenged long-held perceptions about the nature of reality, inspiring artists, philosophers, and writers to reimagine the world in bold, new ways. The resonance of his ideas can be felt far beyond the confines of laboratories and lecture halls, influencing the realms of art, literature, and popular culture in ways that continue to enrich our collective understanding of what it means to be human. His life and work serve as a powerful reminder that the pursuit of knowledge is a deeply human endeavor, one that transcends boundaries, defies convention, and unites us in our shared quest for truth. Now, as we close this chapter on one of the most fascinating lives in history, let us remember that the journey of exploration does not end here. The legacy of Albert Einstein lives on in every curious mind that dares to ask big questions, in every innovative idea that challenges the status quo, and in every discovery that pushes the boundaries of what we once thought possible. His story is a call to action, a call to embrace the unknown with courage and determination, to see in every challenge an opportunity for growth, and to understand that every great leap forward in science begins with a single, daring thought. On behalf of Nobel Series, we thank you for sharing in this celebration of human ingenuity, and we look forward to continuing this journey of discovery together, inspired by the timeless wisdom of Albert Einstein. In the end, the life of Albert Einstein is a testament to the power of relentless curiosity and the unwavering belief that the pursuit of truth is the noblest of endeavors. His revolutionary ideas have not only reshaped the scientific landscape, but have also provided a lasting source of inspiration for millions around the world. As you reflect on the story we have shared today, remember that each one of us has the potential to make our own mark on the world, to challenge our assumptions, and to contribute to the ever-growing tapestry of human knowledge. Let the spirit of Einstein remind you that no matter how complex the mysteries of the universe may seem, the courage to ask questions and the determination to seek answers will always light the way forward. Thank you once again for joining us on this extraordinary exploration of Albert Einstein's life and legacy. We hope that this journey has not only deepened your appreciation for one of history's greatest minds, but also ignited a spark of curiosity within you, a spark that will drive you to explore, to question, and to discover the wonders that lie just beyond the horizon. Until next time, keep questioning, keep dreaming, and remember that every great discovery begins with the simple act of wondering. Welcome to a world where the boundaries of possibility are limited only by the depth of our imagination, and where the legacy of a single brilliant mind continues to inspire us all to reach for the stars.